Hey friends, we are relocating the goats this afternoon. We're going to break their pen down and move it. Wanted to record doing that. We build it with pins so it should go pretty quick. Get you an idea of what you can do. Anyway, we're going to get to it. Start that. Alright, why don't you lean this up against that rack, okay? You do that?
Alrighty guys, just like that, it's already dismantled on the trailer, ready to be moved.
We probably won't show setting it up. Maybe after the fact we will, because quite frankly, we don't quite know what we're doing yet. But we get it figured out, we'll show you then. All right, everybody have a great day. Bye.